If you're feeling nostalgic for classic games or want a powerful device to play your favorites on the go, the Trimui Smart Pro might be the perfect fit. But what exactly makes it stand out? Let's explore 5 reasons why you should consider adding this handheld to your collection. The Trimui Smart Pro packs a punch in a compact design. It boasts a beautiful 4.96-inch IPS display with crisp 720x1280 resolution, perfect for reliving those retro visuals. But don't be fooled by its size. Under the hood, the Trimui Smart Pro features a powerful all-winner A133P processor and a PowerVR GE8300 GPU, allowing it to handle a wide range of emulators smoothly. Speaking of emulators, this is where the Trimui Smart Pro truly shines. It supports over 20 emulator formats, letting you revisit classics from the NES, SNES, Genesis, PlayStation 1, and even some N64 and Dreamcast titles. This opens the door to a vast library of games, keeping you entertained for hours on end. Nobody wants their retro adventure cut short by a dead battery. The Trimui Smart Pro features a hefty 5000 mAh battery, offering up to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge. This makes it ideal for long trips, commutes, or simply relaxing at home without worrying about constantly plugging it in. It isn't just about playing games. It allows you to personalize your experience. You can customize the controls, tweak the visuals, and even add your own collection of ROMs to expand your gaming library. Compared to high-end retro gaming consoles, the Trimui Smart Pro offers fantastic value for money. It delivers great performance, a comfortable design, and extensive emulation capabilities, all at an attractive price point. Whether you're a retro gamer or just starting to explore classic titles, the Trimui Smart Pro offers a compelling package. It's a powerful handheld console that lets you relive your favorite games or discover new ones, all in a convenient and portable form factor. So, if you're looking to take a trip down memory lane or simply enjoy some fantastic retro gaming experiences, the Trimui Smart Pro is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and purchasing options.